Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a silhouette from a photo in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now what you're going to do with your photo, just make a layer from it. Now after that, select the quick selection tool and select the area you want to create a silhouette. Now after that, create a mask from that layer and then create a new layer and place it under the first layer. Now after that, change the black one to white one and then select the paint bucket tool and paint the layer to white. Now after that, create again another layer and this time place it above the photo. Now what we're going to do is click Ctrl T and then select the mask from second layer. Now click the bucket tool and change the white to black and thus paint the third layer just like that. And then once you're done, just press the Ctrl D. And then that's it everyone. I hope you learned in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.